Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Ford Kuga Sport. It's a 2 litre TDCi with full appearance pack and colour code. It's got the front park distance control, appearance pack front bumper, appearance pack and colour coded side steps and skirts. Got privacy glass to the rear. We've got rear park distance control, twin exhausts. Nice rear diffuser. It's a facelift model. An absolutely fantastic condition. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. Finished in white. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. Got the lovely half leather interior. Carpet mats, rear, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's an 89,266 miles. Cruise control just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. It's got automatic headlights. We've got the Ford navigation system on there. Parktronic, climate control, satellite navigation. Oops, satellite navigation. Got the rear parking sensors, front and rear, Parktronic. DAB, Bluetooth connectivity, 6-speed gearbox, air conditioning, alternate USB. Really is in lovely condition. At DJI, full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.